To conduct a search in the Catalog Items or Assets area, click the hamburger icon next to the column in which you wish to conduct your search. Under the filter icon, type in your search term. This will narrow the results to anything containing that term. Note, this filter will remain in place until you manually remove it. If you wish to filter the values of a column with preset values, click the hamburger icon, then select only those values you wish to remain. Any column may be pinned by selecting the hamburger icon, then selecting the hamburger icon again. Hover over Pin Column and select to pin to the left or the right. Now, any scrolling will result in this column remaining in place. You may choose to show or hide columns by selecting the hamburger icon, then selecting the table icon on the far right. Simply uncheck those you do not wish to show. Any column may be shown or hidden by selecting the hamburger icon from any other column. Any column may be reordered by clicking on the name of the column. To reorder attributes or rules in the item editor or the assets editor, click and drag the handle icon and place the item in the new location desired. Remember, your attributes and rules will be processed from top to bottom.